You're starving. No food in sight. Suddenly, fluttering above, wild birds. Here's how to trap them silently. Find a thin, strong cord, shoelace, wire, or vine. Shape it into a small loop just wider than a bird's head. Prop the loop open with a stick, place on a branch where birds perch. Camouflage with leaves. Wait, still, silent. Bird lands, head slips in, it's caught. No noise, no chase. Remember, check traps often and never set more than you need. Would you have known this? Save this tip. Our offline AI survival assistant can guide you, even if the world goes silent.